What a fabulous car, just arrived in, direct from the last owner. These are incredible value for money, very, very great cars. Kia XCEED 1.6 CRDi ISG, bit of a mouthful. It's a XCEED 2, Penta grey metallic, that's what it's called, dark grey metallic. 1.6 diesel, 115 brake horsepower, 6-speed manual. Very spacious cars, very stylish cars. Quite like the styling of that one. Just 2 owners from new, 43,000 miles, 6 Kia services. Let's take you all the way around it. As I mentioned, 115 brake horsepower, 1.6 diesel. All the loading area, nice and clean. No damage on there. Great size boot, lovely and clean. Split folding rear seats. Undamaged all the boot is. And you've got spare wheel as well. And additional storage under there. Stashed lots of stuff under there, can't you? Plenty of space. Reverse camera just under there. Making parking easy. It's got the guidelines to guide you back. I like the chrome trim effect there. Just sets it out nicely. And you've got, of course, the black wheel arch protectors all the way around and the body mouldings down the side. No dents, scratches, scrapes or dings. There'll be, of course, be the odd mark there. It is 6 years old. But this is why we do the videos, so you know exactly what the car's like, even before you come and see it. All the wheels are fabulous condition. But I can't see any marks on any of those, hardly anything, but there might be the odd mark. But they are very, very good condition. Good tyres all the way around. Got the roof rails on it. So all down the sides is lovely and clean. Again, got the arches there. Again, all those are undamaged. New side front wheel. And the tyre. Across the front. Nice bit of gloss black there in the chrome trim there. Just sets it off very, very nicely. So across the front again. No damage. All the bonnet lovely and clean. As I mentioned, there might be the odd mark on the vehicle, which can be expected. But we do the video to show you full transparency, nothing to hide. You're on your hands and knees with me at the moment, giving you a very, very close up. But most people probably wouldn't even look so close at the detail. So we do go all down the sides. Driver's wheel. And this is why we believe a lot of other dealers don't go this far, because we don't believe the quality of their cars may be as good as ours. We're not knocking other dealers, but we're just saying this is why we do the videos. So you know exactly what you're getting from the comfort of your armchair. So you can make that decision when you're comparing cars with all those for sale everywhere else. So matching Goodyear tyres all the way around. Final wheel. The final tyre there. So as you can see on that, the sun's coming out, so you can see the metallic on there. Gorgeous, gorgeous colour. Let's take you inside. Again, all the door trims, entry points, no damage there. All the upholstery, beautiful condition. Centre armrest with cup holders. Plenty of legroom there. Headlining again, all undamaged. A lot of people don't think about that. Would you like to point it out? Non-smoker's car, no nasty smells. Driver's door trim again, all unmarked. All the entry points again undamaged. Driver's seat. leather multifunction steering wheel, 43,336 is the mileage. Start it up. There we go, 43,336. As I mentioned, 6 Kia services to date. All the dashboard, all nice, lovely. Nice big clear screen. Nice stereo sounding. DAB radio. You can set up the various things on there. So we'll go to setup, device, Android, Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth, set all those up. Advanced setting, various buttons you can change on the steering wheel, which if you want to change it to how you want it. General setup, again it's the clocks, things like that on there. Sound system, and you can adjust where you want the sound, equalize it. Display, and as I mentioned, the reverse camera. So there you've got the guidelines there, making parking so much easier. Air conditioning, USB aux input, 6-speed manual gearbox, cup holders, a bit of storage under there. Leather multifunction steering wheel, volume, Bluetooth phone connection, various menu on there. You change that on the dashboard. Lane assist you've got, cruise control, speed limiter, lane assist button just there, lane assist. So there we have it, our beautiful, beautiful Kia XCEED 2. 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. And if you've got a car to trade in, we welcome part exchange. We're trying to offer you the best deal that we can, and we make it easy, so you just literally trade your car in and drive out with this new car. We can arrange finance. Check out our finance on our website, work out the calculations, low deposit, low monthly payments, and apply direct off our website. It really is very quick, very easy. No messing about with third-party finance. We don't deal with third-party finance. We offer in-house finance with our finance partners and brokers. Remember, if you fancy this at 2 o'clock in the morning, just hit that reserve button so that nobody else can beat you to it. Remember our full money back guarantee. If you click and reserve, come and collect, and you feel the car is not as described, we'll refund your deposit, no questions asked. Simple, easy, hassle-free. That's what we do. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Read about our raving fans reviews, and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. Specialist Cars, a multi-award winning dealer based in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire, established since 1997. We're open Monday to Saturday. Our phone number is 01782 822 700. Feel free to give us a call on any further information you need. Our phone number again, 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs.
Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you, give us a call 01782 822 700.